What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Socks the cat from Lightyear. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top of our circle. Bring that all the way down towards the bottom. And then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top of that circle. We want to bring that down towards the same height that we have on the left, and then back up towards the top. Now from here we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, bring that circle coming in, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right, drawing that same size circle. Now I want to trace the eyes along the inside going in behind the highlight. So we're going to start from the bottom. We want to leave an even space gap going all the way around and then back out. Let's fill the center of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve the nose going up and then back down. Now from the ends, we're going to angle this down and then in towards the center. From the bottom point of the nose, draw a short line coming down. Angle this down now towards the left and right side. Now connect the outside point of the nose to the bottom of the mouth with a curve. We're going to go out and then bend that back in. And then we'll tuck the chin in underneath. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve coming down and then up. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eye, go all the way out toward the left, curve the head coming down. Just going to bend this underneath the mouth and then back up towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round up the cheek. Just pull that up towards the middle. And round up the head. Go all the way across and then down towards the right. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the head, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. And bend the ear going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then out. From the tip of the ear, I'm just going to round this out, going out, down, and then in. Let's trace each of the ears along the inside, starting with the outside edge, going up towards the top. Pull that back in. Now we're going to move down and draw in the collar. Let's start over on the left side and bend the collar, coming down the middle and then up on the right. Let's go to the center and draw a small circle for the tag. And then along the top, we'll draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's move out to the side of the collar. I'm going to curve the inside of the legs coming in, and we'll bend that down. And then we'll round out the bottom of the paws, down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot going up, and we'll bend that down. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and curve the outside of the legs. Let's start on the side of the collar, curves out, come down, and then bend that in. Let's separate the paws. The curve coming down and up on both sides. Now in between the paws, we're going to draw a straight line going across, and it'll separate the paws with two curves on either side. Now we're going to tuck the hind legs in behind. Let's start from this point, curve the top of the paw up, and then down. Then round this out, coming down, tucking that in along the side. Let's separate the paws into two curves on either side. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the legs. Curve this out, come down, and then in. Now let's draw the tail coming out from the right side. We'll start from the side of the leg, then this out, then up, and we'll bend this back out. Let's round up the end of the tail, coming back in. Now I'm going to follow this curve, coming all the way around, and then in towards the side for the leg. Now I'm going to separate the end of the tail with a curve, and then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw socks from Lightyear. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.